It's Yanni and I'm back with another video. Today's video is sponsored by Panse Hair. They sent me their Peruvian Straight. They sent me closure 20 inches and then they sent me 4 bundles of 22, 22, 24, and 24. You guys, I am obsessed with this hair. I am so obsessed with this hair. This hair is bomb. I haven't gotten good hair like this in a minute. So I love this hair so much, and I know y'all are probably like annoyed with me because I've been all on Instagram just, you know, doing the most, but that's how much I really love this hair. Like, no cap, you know, I love this hair so much. And I made it into a closure wig. They offered to send me a frontal, but y'all know I'm not really big on frontals. I really like closures because they're low maintenance and they're easy to put on and take off. So I'm making a closure wig and I just really love this hair. Now I ended up bleaching the knots already, and I also dyed the bundles a jet black. I used the dye Kisses. I didn't do the water method because I really wanted my black to be vibrant, so no water method. And I used about 2 bottles of the Kiss and just dyed the hair. And I just really love how it turned out, you guys. It's like perfect for fall. This vibrant jet black hair, long. And then also another thing that I really loved about this hair, it holds a curl. You can wear this hair straight or you can put a lot of body in it. I like to use the Suave hairspray and it works great for me and it doesn't weigh the hair down. So I'm going to go ahead and thin out the closure a little bit. I really wanted this wig to mimic a frontal, but I didn't want to do an ear to ear frontal. I just wanted something real low maintenance so I could have the option of gluing it down if I want to, or I could have the option of using a elastic band, or I had the option of just using my clips. So you guys have been seeing me just rock my clips. Like I have clips towards the front where the frontal is, and that's all that I have. And this wig was constructed on a spandex dome cap. So I'm all about, you know, measuring for size. So then I don't have to do an elastic band and all of that. So I literally just popped this on my head with the clip-ins, with the wig clips towards the front where the closure is, and I just call it a day. So I'm just thinning out my part. If you want to wear this wig like a side part, deep side part, down the middle, however, you can do that. All you have to do is turn the wig and it's just so simple. And if you have black hair, you can always, you know, do your edges. I didn't do it in this video, but I normally do. You can always, you know, lay your baby hairs and all of that on the side. I like to use the black Got2b glue gel, and if the wind blows, it's just going to show your edges. So I don't know, I just really like it. For this video only, I decided to go ahead and glue the wig down so you guys can see what it looks like, because it really does mimic a frontal.
You said, do your wigs be terrible?
Uh-huh.
Nah, your wigs be looking nice. These wigs look terrible.
You would tell me if it was up though, right?
Man, I would 100% tell you. I told my mom the other day when she had a wig. Man, her wig looked terrible. You can see the goddamn, just the frontal, everything. You can just see it. Like, and then she tried to blend in with a masculine with a little blur brush, and it was like a different skin color of her hair, her head, her scalp. Like, your shit just looked too light. What are you wearing on camera today?
I don't know. My friend be cracking me up. I had to leave that part in there because men really be paying attention to how your wig looks. So make sure you guys are laying your wigs, okay? Lay them, honey, so we can fool these men into thinking it's our hair, or at least just make it look good, you know, because I've been wearing wigs for years now, and one thing that I've learned about men, they don't care as long as it looks good, you know. They don't care that you're wearing a wig as long as it looks good. They only care when it looks bad. So I just wanted to leave that part in there, because men can tell, like, men look at that type of stuff, so don't think they're not looking. And I like it when men are honest. Like, if my wig doesn't look that good that day, like, let me know so I can try to fix it. Or if my wig needs to be pulled forward, you know, let me know so I can fix it. No hard feelings over here. So I'm just going in and curling this hair. I really love this Suave hairspray, you guys. It's bomb. And I just like how it's unscented, and I like how it's lightweight. There's no crunchiness to it, as long as you don't spray too much, and the hair is still soft afterwards. I think that's what I like the most about it. It's actually really bomb, and it's super affordable. I think I got this at Walmart, and it was about $5, and that's a big bottle, so I like it. And my curls last too. That was another thing. So this completes this tutorial, you guys. Make sure you check out Panse. All information will be down below in the description box, so check them out, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.